Hello folks, this is Mike. Thanks for tuning in. Well, this is going to be a short video today, and the purpose will be simply to change out the blade on my Dewalt sliding miter saw here. This is a model 779, and this procedure should work on the 780 also. Now the reason we're doing this is that I want to put on this old dull blade because today I'm cutting hardy plank, which is a concrete impregnated fiber board. And it's just death on your good saw blade. It'll dull them up quick. This old dull blade will cut it just fine. So we're going to change it out, and to do that we just need one tool, and that's this wrench that was supplied with your saw. Now this may have already gotten away from you. I find it hard to keep up with this sort of thing, so I keep it on the wall here by my saw. But if that's the case, it's a T30 Torx on one end. This end is a 6mm hex head, or Allen if you will. So you may already have those in your shop. So what I want to do now is adjust the camera angle. Let's move in close here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, now our first step will be to loosen this screw and this screw, and we'll need to move the guard up and out of the way. As you can see, you can't get to the bolt. So I'm taking my T30, back that off, like this. Now, normally you would think that you could just loosen this a little bit, but since the end of this screw protrudes into the blade chamber, I'm going to back it out a little extra to get that bolt out of the way when we try to put the blade in. Okay, now, and here's this little flange. Now watch what we do with that. Now when I get this out, you got to get it out quite a ways before it'll open up. See, now it's riding up. Now I'm going to seat the bolt down on the flange to hold it in place. There you go. Okay? Now I'm going to take this end, which is the hex end. I'm going to push in the pin and turn the blade till it locks. There we go. You see, it still has a little play in it. Okay. We're going to go clockwise because it's reverse threads. See, that has an oblong hole in it, and the shaft itself is oblong, the end of it. Okay, now we'll take it off. It's a little bit of a tight fit. Now your saw may have a bushing here also to adapt your saw blade to this size. Now we'll slip the other one in, so we'll push it into this recess a bit and go up with it. There we go. It's a really tight fit. I can reinstall this now. Okay. Push in the pin again, tighten my blade, and there we go. Now we just reverse the procedure here. And this time I'm just going to use my drill. I've got a T30 in this. I'll back this out a little bit. Now we can let that drop back into place. Okay. And push this one back in. And I'm going to go ahead and hand tighten them a bit. Oops. And these are not reverse thread. These are regular thread. Okay, that's good. So that's our blade install. Well folks, we now have our blade changed. And as you can see, if you follow the procedure, this is really not a bad job. So I hope this has been a help to you. So be sure to send me your questions and your comments, and I will get back to you. Also, next coming up is a mini lathe review. And also at the end of this video, in the credits, is a list of my upcoming events. So you may want to go below, like our video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that bell. And that way we can alert you when these things come up. So until next time, folks, thanks for watching.